Hello all and welcome to the PC Graveyard. I am Gary, also known as the Reviver of Tech. Now, in my one stream on my main YouTube channel, Gary Straight, I overwrote the MBR of a Dell Vostro 1500 with a Trojan, which if we boot the machine now, if we boot the machine now, this is what we get to. Now, how do we fix this? Alright, so the first thing we need is a Windows 7 boot medium. I decided to go with a Windows 7 DVD that was custom burnt. Though I did not burn this DVD, it was given to me burned. And what we do, we put the medium in the appropriate slot. Me, it's the DVD RAM. We close it, and then, since we're at the MBR overwrite, we just hit Control-Alt-Delete. Then we hit the boot menu key. In my case, it is F12. That's why I'm spamming the frick out of it. Then we go to that boot medium, and we hit enter. Don't mind this, how the film got cut off. Oh god. Part of the film that was there got stripped away. Hence why there's a pixel that right there that cannot ever be fixed. Because that is actually just from the LCD. That is actually just, yeah. Only way I can repair this is replacing the whole flippin' LCD, and I don't have the money to do that yet. So instead, I'm gonna just leave it because it really doesn't bother me. Especially when I got this. Yeah, that's a beautiful looking Windows 11 machine. So once, and now, the reason why I said Windows 7 specifically, because a Windows Vista boot medium wouldn't work. Windows XP boot medium will just blue screen. Windows 2000, that's not, it's gonna be the same story with Windows XP. A Windows 8 boot medium will fail, as will 8.1, 10, and 11, as they don't really work with bootrec or startup repair. Startup repair in 8 in Windows 8 and above looks for system file errors. And the Windows 7 one looks for partition table errors in the whole 9 yards. Now Windows Vista, yeah, let's not even go there, it just sucked. It sucked. And last time I tried it, kind of corrupted the entire operating system. Okay, so now, what we can do is we can go Shift F10, but what normal users would do is click next. Now, most of you will think, okay, go to install now. No. You go over to this little phrase here, repair your computer. Click that. Then you go click the top radio button, which selects use recovery tools that can help fix problems starting Windows. Select an operating system repair. Clearly, as the partition table got F, we can't see anything. So we just click next. Now, we click startup repair. Okay. Now, for those who are more adept at using the keyboard, you go Shift F10, CD recovery, CD. Wait, no, you go Shift F10, CD recovery, start rep. Now, Oh, repair your computer to start with the repairs. Okay. Yeah, if we do that, yeah, let's say that we do that. Okay, thinking, oh yeah, just fix the computer. That's where we are wrong. Because once we boot, it goes back to the MBR. I mean, yeah, your partitions are there now. Okay, that's a bonus. Except Windows doesn't know how to boot. Frick. I was too focused on explaining that. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to say, hey, okay, this is what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to do this, you're supposed to do that. Okay, so now we go back to the Windows is loading file screen. Flashlight. Yeah, I don't mind the keyboard condition. It's a this machine needs a lot of work. But always remember the game on. Now, yeah, it has a core to duo in Resident 7. Now it just has a core to duo. You just put all those other things. Now, this keyboard, yeah, that's a lot better. Power button reveal. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Of course it's gonna be beautiful because it's by MSI. Now let me just switch over. No, switch to user account A. Right. So now what we're gonna do? Now we could just go Shift F10 because that's easier. Except we are just going to go with the GUI. Okay, now it's going to search for Windows installations. And yeah, Windows 10 was the operating system. So now what we are going to do, we're going to click Next. I mean, we have to use freaking command prompt anyway. We have to use Shift F10 anyway. Now we want to type in boot rec slash fixboot. Then we hit up bootrec fixmbr. Then bootrec rebuildbcd, which is rebuild the boot configuration data. Now, even though it says total identified Windows installations 0, the operation completed successfully, which means it did what we needed to do. So now if we close out, now at this point it's just best to assert physical presence. In other words, press a flipping power button. Then assert physical presence again. Press a flipping power button. Now if we get, oh yes, very nice looking logo. Hey, wait, yo, that looks like a Windows 11 logo. Yeah, I know. I found that if you take a look at it from an angle, it looks suspiciously like a Windows 11. Don't it? Looks suspiciously like a Windows 11 logo. No, we're just gonna let that check disk run out and do its thing. Given the fact that this is running on a solid state drive, which kind of makes the computer itself slightly less crap. But it'll all depend on the speed of your system, to be honest. Scanning in a pen drive. See, okay, so now that that's done, it will reboot. Then once we get back in, oh, to that again. But then we're into Windows. Oh, I know. That's kind of, it looks a little bit like Windows 11. This is indeed the operating system we used. That got changed. Yes. Coming.